Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the steering wheel desk. Stay tuned. So I find myself going out and picking up something to eat more and more these days because of the whole COVID situation, and I saw this online. I thought that was pretty cool. This is a steering wheel desk. This one, according to this, you're supposed to be able to hook it up to your steering wheel, and you're supposed to use it as a desk or use it to take out. I'm going to use it more for takeout if possible. So I'm going to unbox this and give you my first impressions. There is a link on the description below if you guys are interested in something like this. If this is something that you might like for you or as a present, somebody you know who's always on the road. Alright, so here it is. I unboxed it. What came in the box was this desk, I guess you would call it. And for whatever reason, this rag. It's actually a pretty decent, looks like a microfiber rag. But the way this is supposed to work is you're supposed to just kind of snuggle it up against your steering wheel and let it sit. I can see how this could work. I wouldn't put my drink here, but I could see myself putting my hamburger and maybe my fries here. It'll free up some space here for my hands to not have to be fumbling around with the food. This also looks pretty good if you're needing to do some real quick work on a laptop or need to write something down. It's pretty sturdy. All right. Thank you for watching, guys. If you are interested, there is a link in the description below where you can get one of these through Amazon. But once again, this has been the Smoking Beard, and I'll catch you guys on the flip side.